Today I'm going to show you how to make one pot Lo Mai Gai. First, we need to marinate the chicken and the mushrooms. I cut the chicken into bite size and the mushrooms into quarters. Let's marinate this with ginger juice, 1 tablespoon of oyster sauce, 2 tablespoons of light sauce, 1 teaspoon of sesame oil, 1 teaspoon of cornstarch, some black peppers, 1 teaspoon of dark sauce, let's marinate this for 30 minutes. Let's slice the Chinese sausage. Let's start cooking. First, let's heat up the rice cooker. Then put in a tablespoon of olive oil. When the oil is hot, let's saute the Chinese sausage. Saute this for a while. And then let's add our marinated meat and mushroom. Simmer it for a while. I simmered this for 2 minutes. Now let's check. Yummy! Stir this well. Now let's add our glutinous rice. So 2 cups of glutinous rice and 2 cups of water. And let it cook. Our rice is cooked. Now let's see. It smells good, guys. How easy is that, right? Now let's serve dinner. Let's try this. Very yummy. Mushroom, chicken, sausage taste inside. Oh my gosh. It's perfect. It feels like having dim sum right now.